Once again, I welcome you to my class. Today, we shall talk about what is a subject and a predicate. Generally, when we write or speak, we use words in groups. The group of words which makes complete sense is called sentence. A sentence essentially has two parts, that is a subject and a predicate. Now the question is, what is a subject and what is a predicate? Now, what is the subject? The subject can be a person or a thing or an idea. The subject can be a person or thing or an idea. The doer of something is called the subject. Or, in another word, naming part. Naming part is called the subject. The subject, the subject must take or can be a noun or a pronoun, and the subject may be a word or group of words. I repeat once again, the subject may be a word or group of words. Now the question arises, what is the predicate? The predicate is which says or asserts about the subject. What we say or speak about the subject is called the predicate. The predicate, in other words, it may be called as a saying part. I told you, subject naming part, predicate saying part. And you must keep it in mind that if you take out or if you exclude the subject, the remaining part is the predicate. We will go with examples. I have taken some examples so that we can understand what is the subject and the predicate. Number one, Bindu plays with her dolls. Here, Bindu is the noun. And the remaining part, if you take it out, the remaining part will be the predicate. This is the subject. If you exclude the subject, the remaining part from the verb up to the end, it is a predicate. Next, the rose is called the queen of flowers. The rose. I told you, the subject may be of a word or a group of words. Here, up to the rose is the subject. If you exclude the subject, the remaining part from the verb is up to the end is predicate. Next, God will help us. God will help us. God is the subject, and from here, from the verb will up to the last, it is the predicate. So what you observe is subject is the naming part, and whereas the predicate is the saying part. Fourth example, Gandhiji was assassinated by a fanatic. Gandhiji here is the subject, and from here, if you take it out the subject or exclude the subject, the remaining part it is the predicate. Fifth example, a thing of beauty is joy forever. Now, here if you see the subject up to a thing of beauty, up to here it will be, from the verb, the remaining part is predicate. I told you a sentence may be a word or group of words. If in a sentence only two words are there, definitely one word will be the subject and another word will be verb. That is compulsory. So, a thing of beauty up to here, group of words, is the subject, whereas the remaining part is the predicate. Now, another example, all the questions were answered, is the sentence. Here, all the questions, up to here, this is the subject, where answer is the predicate. So what you have understood is that in a subject, it may be a word or a group of words. And what you have understood is the subject is the naming part and predicate is the saying part. Right. Okay, friends, then I have completed the sentence, and I have also completed the parts in the sentence, that is the subject and the predicate. We shall meet in the next video. Until then, goodbye.